Screenshots are something you use almost every day, saving receipts, sharing messages, capturing maps, or keeping important information. But most iPhone 17 users only know one way to take a screenshot, even though the phone actually offers several faster and more convenient options depending on how you like to use it. Here are the different ways to take a screenshot on the iPhone 17. The most common method uses the hardware keys. Here's how it works. Go to the screen you want to capture, press the side button and the volume up key at the same time. The screen will flash and a preview will appear in the corner. From there, you can edit the image, share it, save it, ask ChatGPT about what's on the screen, or run a quick visual search using Google Lens. To save it immediately, tap the check icon and choose where you want it stored. Another convenient method uses an accessibility feature called Back Tap. Here's how it's done. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap Touch. Find Back Tap and tap it. Choose Double Tap or Triple Tap, then select Screenshot from the System Actions list. Once set, you can take a screenshot by tapping the back of your iPhone. Just keep in mind, this works best without a thick phone case, so you may want to consider removing the case in case you'll encounter problems taking screenshots with this method. If you want the easiest hands-free option, Siri can take screenshots for you. Once Siri is set up, simply say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." Your iPhone will capture the screen instantly without touching any buttons. Now, there's also a quicker method using the Action button on the iPhone 17. With a custom shortcut, you can assign the Action button to take and save screenshots with a long press. We've covered that setup in a separate tutorial, which you can find in our previous videos, or better check the link in the description. And that's it! With these options, you can choose the screenshot method that fits your habit best: buttons, taps, voice, or a single press. If this helped you capture screens faster on your iPhone 17, give it a like or watch another tutorial to discover more everyday tricks you'll actually use. As always, thank you very much for watching. Your support is highly appreciated.